What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Porsche Smart Key remote fob. This Porsche key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. The first thing we need to do is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of the key fob. So if we flip it over and we're taking a look at the bottom, we see the panic button on this end. On the other end, down by this key ring, we see this button right here. So what I'm going to do is slide that button down. And as I slide that button down, I'm going to take my other hand and just slide that key up, or over I should say. And then that'll come out of there like that. Now I'm going to use the key to pry up on this piece right here. So I'm going to stick it in the slot that it just came out of just a little bit. And then I'm just going to pry up like that. And it pops this back piece off. And now we can see the old battery right there. Dump that out of there. And then I'll grab my new battery. And we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side up. Plus side up like that. Have our new battery sitting in there. And then we'll grab this piece. And what we want to do with this is slide this end in first like this. So slide that end in. And then snap it down. And then grab our emergency key and slide that back into place. And that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.